Hi everyone, welcome to Sandra Sensations. Thanks for joining me. I'm going to be doing an open cup on a 16 by 20. I've got black acrylic ready to go on here. If you're new to my channel, I would really appreciate it if you hit subscribe. And right beside that button is also a notification button. If you hit that, you'll be notified for any future videos that I upload. Alright, bubbles are out. We are ready to go. I will tell you that my acrylics are the Artezas. I mix them 50% this Sargent's Art pearlescent mixing medium, 50% of that, and in the bottles is 50% acrylic. So I put a little bit of water for my consistency, and that's what I use for all my paint pouring. There's a quick tip for you. Now I've got just a plastic cup that I've cut to make an open cup. I'm going to put that in the center. Actually, let me put a puddle in here first. I don't have quite enough to start. Let's put a puddle in here. Now this one has got the pearlescence mixing medium and the base does not. It has my Elmer's glue oil, 50%, and 50% acrylic paint with water mixture, so that's why it's looking a little bit different. Okay, I'm going to put this one down in the center here. I didn't want my base to be all pearlescent, so that's why I did that. Okay, I'm going to do a mixture of colors and we'll see how it works out here. First I'm going to do my Rose Madder Arteza. This one was mixed with this pearlescent mixing medium. It says on the instructions 10 parts mixing medium to 1 part acrylic. I think that's really extreme, but I did try it with this one color to see if it makes any difference. So far with any of my paintings, it hasn't. So I would highly recommend doing the 50% this mixing medium, 50% acrylic, a little bit of water, you're good to go. The 10 to 1 ratio seems way too much. Okay, let's put the first color in. Just want to use up this one that I have pre-done from a previous painting. There we go. Okay, then I'm going to do some Pink Blossom, which is a lighter pink. And I'm going to add some silver. And then we're going to do some Persian blue. Okay, followed up with Dioxazine purple. Give that a little bit of a shake. It's been sitting for a minute or two. Then how about we do a little bit of white? Then let's add some green. I want to have a really colorful painting. Now I've seen Olga do something like this, and I think she calls it a galaxy pour. I'm not sure if that's what I'm doing or not, but it's definitely looking really cool with the colors coming out right now. Okay, let's do some yellow. And we'll finish it off with some blue and probably a bit more of the purple. This one is the cerulean blue. Yeah, I like how the purple looks there. I might do purple and blue again, the Persian blue. Okay. I want to try and move my cup over a bit, so I'm just going to tilt it a little bit. Get it moving in a different area. Look how cool that looks. I think I'm going to go back this way, towards the middle. Just going to let that sit for a couple of seconds here before I even try and move it. So I love the designs that are coming out. Let's give it a little bit of a torch while that sits. Wow, love how that's turning out. Okay, I'm just going to lift this a little bit. Spin it. Okay. That just looks so awesome. I almost don't even want to tilt it. Okay, let's get some of this color moving. There's a lot of paint on here, so. Just gonna go ever so slowly. Sorry if you see the back of the canvas. Okay, I'm gonna go back down this way. Sorry if my arm's in the way. This does have a galaxy look to it, so I have a feeling I just did a galaxy pour and didn't realize that's what I was doing. Okay, let me just put that down for a sec. Look how awesome that looks. I think I need to keep going here. Pour a little bit more of that blue off. I think I might have just a bit too much there. Okay, let me give this a little bit of a torch and see how it's looking. These gloves are covered in paint. Get all those bubbles out. Now this paint didn't have any silicone in it, so the cells that are popping up is strictly from the pearlescent mixing medium, water, and acrylic paint. Wow. That looks so cool. Love it. Love it when a painting idea comes to life. So awesome. All right, everybody, there we have, I believe I've just done a galaxy pour. It's an open cup pour for sure, but I think it has that galaxy effect to it. Looks so neat. Can't wait to see this when it's dry. All right, everybody, thanks very much for joining me. Remember, please hit subscribe, come back and watch another video. And I'm sure Greg will be putting up one of my favorites. Click on that, stick around and watch another video. Thanks, everyone.